Furniture, precision-crafted steel for modern interiors. Transport, reliable components that keep logistics moving. Aircraft industry, lightweight structures built to exacting standards. Automotive, mass production with unmatched repeatability. Construction, strength and accuracy for buildings that last. Stage design, smart metalwork for bold visual experiences. Otinus machines support production for some of the world's leading brands. They help subcontractors deliver precise, high-quality components reliably and on time. In aviation, they produce structural parts, brackets, and mounting elements. In automotive, they handle cutting and bending of body panels, frames, and technical parts. In furniture, they shape steel frames, legs, and decorative elements for modern interiors. In construction, they build railings, staircases, shelters, and structural components. In advertising and stage design, they support the creation of scenic structures, platforms, and large-scale installations. In transportation, they're used for manufacturing containers, vehicle bodies, warehouse racks, and loading systems. Their applications grow with the ambitions of our customers. Otinus machines are known for precision, durability, and consistency even in demanding production environments. Customers benefit from expert technical support and fast service when it matters most. Our product range focuses on key technologies: laser and plasma cutters, press brakes, and guillotine shears. Each machine is engineered to perfection and available directly from stock. To protect production flow, the Otinus Protect program helps prevent downtime and secures continuity. Otinus customers deliver excellence every day. For those who demand the same, book a demo and discover the performance behind Otinus machines. Otinus, we serve you.